Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to use data validation in Microsoft Excel to prevent users from entering a duplicate value in a cell within a range. All right, so we have this basic spreadsheet here, first name, last name, account number, amount, and due date. So when people create new customers, for example, we want to make sure they do not use an account number that's already been used. So we do not want duplicates. So the way you do it, here's the basic formula we're going to use here, equals COUNTIF, and then you want to put the range with dollar signs in between each of them. So we're going to do C2 to C20, C2 to C20, comma, first cell, which is C2, that's our first cell that we have account numbers in, equals 1, and that means there could only be one instance of that value, or account number in this case. So I'm going to copy this for the sake of typing it again. So we're going to highlight our range here, go to the Data tab, then Data Validation. So we want to do Custom for Allow, and then the formula, here's where we want to put it. So COUNTIF C2 to C20 starting at C2. So input message here, you don't need a title, it's just for your own purposes, but we're going to say, please use a unique account number. And then for error, we're going to use a stop type error because we want to prevent them from doing it. So we're going to say this number is already in use. Click on OK. Now you can see when we put our cursor in a cell there, to select the cell, please use a unique account number. Let's say we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. That's fine. But now let's say we're going to do 2320 like this one here. Now you can see this number is already in use, so retry and cancel, retry, you'll have to type in something different obviously. Let's try 1, 2, 3, 4 again. Nope, can't do that either. 4, 3, 2, 1, and it works. All right, so once again, just use this formula here. I'll put this in the description in case it applies to what you're doing. You could just edit it, so you might be using it for rows instead of a column, so you're going to have to change things around. So just remember to use the dollar sign between your values here for each cell, letter and number. So put your range and then your starting cell for the range 2, and then equals 1, so you can only have one instance of a particular value in a cell. All right, thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.